Some users are experiencing muffled or crackling sound on their Galaxy Buds FE. And whether they're on call or playing music, sometimes they're also having popping or crunchy sound either on one or both of the earbuds. So if you're having the same problem, let's go ahead and fix it. If you frequently hear music with a max out volume, we recommend you to keep it as a balanced position. And at the same time, if you're using a wearable app, and those who are using equalizer in their wearable app with a customized equalizer, try to listen to music with a normal mode and see if your problem is solved. In addition to that, if your problem still persists, you can just now take off the ear tips and clean both of the buds' grill and the mesh properly. You can use a brush or a liquid spray, whatever is available to you. Sometimes a popping or crackling sound might happen for any charging issues. So whenever needed, just go ahead, plug it in and charge both of them simultaneously for a while and see that solved your problem or not. Now, if you're having this muffling or crackling sound during call and you are using a wearable app, from the earbud settings, go to use ambient sound during call and just go ahead, disable it. Now, sometimes a muffled or crackling sound happens just for some minor glitch. So once again, what you can do if you're using a wearable app, from earbud settings, you can just go ahead and reset your earbuds. If you're not using a wearable app, don't worry. Simply forget or unpair and then reconnect the buds with your device once again. And sometimes crackling or popping noise can happen due to any type of pending software issues. So make sure you have no pending update on your earbud. You can check it out from your wearable app to the earbud settings to earbud software update. And then just check if there is any pending update. And if there is no hardware issue, the simple processes we have shown you is enough to solve the crackling noise issue on your Galaxy Buds FE. Thanks for watching.